Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I'm doing a service call today. And customer said ACs are working great, but he wants to bring the humidity down. Well, he's got a variable speed, which is right there. That means it's a variable speed motor, and it's got dip switches, which are right. That little blue box with the white little pins in it. Those are dip switches, and we can adjust the airflow to bring down the humidity. So we're doing that now, and we just did it, and it's going to work a lot better. And I'll get back with contact with the customer here in a couple of minutes, and in a couple of days, and find out how everything's working. And everything should be working fine, and we'll be good to go. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video. Call us for our AC, heating, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. See you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.